Are you planning a long-distance move from Maryland? Choosing the right interstate mover is key to a stress-free relocation. Today we'll walk you through how 3 movers makes your Maryland to out-of-state move smooth, secure, and reliable. Moving out of state is very different than a local move. You face longer travel time, more logistics, and greater risk, which is why it's essential to work with licensed, insured interstate movers who understand long-haul relocations. At 3 Movers, all interstate crews are Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration FMCSA certified. That means your move is handled by professionals who are fully regulated. The movers are fully insured and bonded, so your belongings are protected all the way. You don't just get a truck, you get full-service solutions. 3 Movers offers in-home estimates by a professional to assess your property and items, packing services, including fragile-only packing, disassembly and reassembly of large furniture, long-distance transport with safe handling of delicate items like pianos, antiques, and gym equipment, storage options if your new place isn't ready yet or you need interim space. To make your move even smoother, here are some pro tips when working with 3 Movers. Ask for multiple quotes. Compare binding versus not-to-exceed options. Schedule your in-home estimate early. This gives the estimator time to survey your belongings properly. Declutter before the move. Fewer items mean lower cost. Confirm pickup and drop-off windows, especially for long-haul routes, so you know when to expect delivery. If you're planning a move out of Maryland, reach out to 3 Movers for a free in-home estimate. Take stress off your shoulders, professionally, affordably, and safely. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more moving tips.